Hey, peace and abundant divine blessings. It's just me, the master sound therapist, master sound healer, and grand architect of the universe. Just want to take time to record something. I want you to listen to nature. I don't know what type of bird this is, but something within my heart of hearts tell me that it's singing the praises of the Most High. You hear that? But human beings and living beings can fuss, fight, and complain about everything. But if you try to convince or try to encourage the human being and the living being to give thanks for their life, their health, and everything else in between, then they got their lip poked out. Anyway, as always, I give thanks to all and all who's in all, through all, above, and encompassing all. And on that note, I'll be back again with another advancement.